Hey guys, my name's Jim and I talk about chronic pain a lot on this channel. Mine is due to about 40 years now with thoracic outlet syndrome. I also have had 3 lower back surgeries, including 2-level lumbar fusion 3 years ago now. That's actually coming along pretty good. Actually, I feel better. I'm 58 years old now. I actually feel better now than I have a lot of my adult life. You know, I still have some problems, but I just keep working at it and it's coming along. But today I thought I'd just kind of give you a little tour of where I live real quick, of the yard, and just some stuff around here. This is just looking right out my front door here. That's my little Weber Q1200 gas grill. I've had that for a couple of years. I use that on my cooking channel sometimes, and I really like that little grill. It's perfect for just me. I mean, my wife died 2 years ago, so it's just me, so I use that a lot. And is there kind of a flower bed planting area I have out in front here, and there's my veggie pod right there. I've showed you guys that a couple of times. That's all that stuff has grown that big in like 5 weeks. Stuff grows really fast in that thing, so I really like that. That's my old 87 Chevy pickup. I bought that brand new in 1987. So been driving that for 33 years now. And over this way, my house is a duplex. I live on the 1-bedroom side, and my daughter and son-in-law live on that side, and they have 2 kids. My grandson's 3 and a half, and the other one's I think he's about 8 months. So hang out with my grandson a lot. That's a lot of fun. Got some, like I said, my flowers and stuff are growing pretty good. I have a hardware store down the street that sells a lot of plants, so I just run down there and get stuff. These are these bird feeders. A company sent me those several months ago and actually reviewed them, and these are working out really well. The birds actually do use them quite a bit. I have different seed mixes. There's 3 different ones, so I have a different seed mix in each one. There's a hummingbird feeder there, and it's my garage. That little Weber Jumbo Joe right there sitting in the front, that's the same one I did most of my early cooking videos on this channel. I've been doing this channel for I think almost 7 years now, and I have the cooking channel as well, but people said, you know, your cooking's pretty good. Maybe you should start another channel, and instead of mixing it up with all your, you know, your chronic pain stuff. So I kind of did that. This channel, you never know what I do. I just kind of, you know, mix things up and do what I want. Neighbors live across the way. This property is all part of the Andy's Produce Market. They own it. My son-in-law's grandfather owns it, so that's kind of how I ended up here. This is just kind of an entryway. This place is kind of weird. It's sort of just an entryway when you walk in. I have my computer, you know, up high, so I just stand and do that. Have a good mat there that helps my back when I stand there. This is the bedroom part. It's a big bedroom, you know, just has a, you know, big walk-in closet here, and you know, has a big walk-in shower. So got a sink on one side, got another mirror, and little place where we can do makeup or whatever on that side. My bed's not made. It's kind of messy. I'm a single guy, what can I say? And I have TOS, thoracic outlet syndrome, so hard for me to make the bed. Kind of hurts my arms. I gotta kind of limit my arm use. So you go through here, and then there's the kitchen. That's where I film my cooking videos in there. And if you go out the back, there's that deck goes around to the garage, and then I got the deck up here. It's my red Weber kettle that I use in my cooking videos. It's been a while since I've used that, but it's about time to probably do some videos on that again pretty soon. Got a pretty good sized deck back here. Nothing fancy. There's not a whole lot planted back here. They finally added some steps to the deck here a couple months ago, so I can actually walk down here, and I was able to plant some tomato plants back here. My back was so bad that for years I couldn't walk on uneven ground like this. It just hurt my back and my legs so bad, but I'm actually getting where I can do it pretty well, and I've been able to do a little bit of time, plant some I have some squash plants there. I actually started those in my veggie pod and moved them back here. And I've got like 8 tomato plants here. I planted 8 of them because the gophers eat everything, so probably be lucky if half of them survive. Although I did get some traps, and I've been trapping a few of them. And I think I caught 3 this year. I caught 7 or 8 last year. Last year I planted the tomatoes in the front, and there just wasn't enough sun. Stuff didn't do very well there, so this year I moved it to the back. Back here is a lot more sun, so hopefully things will do better back here. So I'm not really minding all this stay-at-home stuff all that much. I just wake up grateful every morning that I like where I live and my health is doing better, and I can get out here and grow things. I'm still doing the medical medium, drinking the celery juice twice a day, and doing the heavy metal detox smoothie, and that seems to be going pretty good. He suggests, eating a lot of leafy greens, so I have lots of fresh leafy greens right here, so I just come out and grab these and put those in my smoothie every day, and like I said, it's it's a nice day. I'm just enjoying myself, so hope you guys are doing good as well. Thanks for watching. See you guys.